Did you know crows are as smart as some primates? Stay tuned to find out how. We're focusing on a bird that you might see every day but probably don't know much about: crows. Ever wondered about the hidden genius of crows? These birds are more than just black feathers and cawing sounds. They are incredibly intelligent and have some mind-blowing abilities that will leave you in awe. You might think of them as just another bird, but crows are actually some of the most intelligent creatures on Earth. Let's dive right in and explore what makes these birds so special. Researchers have discovered that crows can use tools. Yes, you heard that right. These birds have the ability to use objects in their environment to solve problems and get what they need. Yep, you heard that right. These clever birds use sticks and stones to get their food. Imagine a crow picking up a stone to crack open a nut, or using a stick to fish out insects from a crevice. It's like watching a mini engineer at work. Imagine a crow using a twig to fish out a tasty grub from a hole. Pretty smart, huh? This level of tool use is something we usually associate with primates, but crows are right up there with them. But that's not all. Crows can recognize human faces. They have an incredible memory and can remember whether a person is a friend or a potential threat. So, if you've ever had a close encounter with a crow, it might just remember you the next time you cross paths. If you've ever fed a crow, don't be surprised if it remembers you the next time you cross paths. These birds have a social structure and memory that helps them navigate their environment and interact with humans. Now, let's talk about their puzzle-solving skills. Crows are not just good at using tools, they are also excellent problem solvers. In one fascinating experiment, crows were given complex puzzles to solve. The goal? To access food. These puzzles required multiple steps and a lot of thinking, and guess what? They nailed it. These birds demonstrated problem-solving skills that rival those of some primates. They could figure out how to use different tools in sequence to get to the food. Think about that for a second. Crows solving puzzles just like a primate would. This shows a level of cognitive ability that is truly remarkable. Their intelligence challenges our understanding of avian cognition. It makes us rethink what we know about the brains of birds and how they compare to other animals. It raises important questions about how we perceive animal intelligence overall. Are we underestimating the brain power of our feathered friends? Crows are showing us that intelligence comes in many forms and can be found in the most unexpected places. So next time you see a crow, give it a little more respect. These birds are not just scavengers, they are thinkers, problem solvers, and social creatures with a lot to teach us. They're not just ordinary birds, they're nature's puzzle masters. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments what you think about the intelligence of crows. We have much more to explore in the world of wildlife. Stay with us and enjoy the incredible details about some more animals. You'll never look at octopuses the same way again after learning this. Let's delve into one of the most fascinating facts about one of the ocean's most intriguing inhabitants, the octopus. These creatures aren't just masters of disguise and escape artists, they have some truly impressive biological traits. Have you ever wondered why octopuses have 3 hearts? Yeah, you heard that right. 3 hearts. It's not just a quirky fact, it's a vital part of their survival strategy. Let's unravel this mystery together. Why would an octopus need 3 hearts? What purpose do they serve? Alright, so here's the scoop. An octopus has 3 hearts. But why on earth does it need so many? Let's break it down. Well, let's break it down. 2 of these hearts are called branchial hearts. Their job is to pump blood through the gills, where oxygen is absorbed from the water. Think of them as the octopus's personal oxygen suppliers. These 2 hearts ensure that the octopus gets the oxygen it needs to survive in its underwater environment. Then there's the 3rd heart, known as the systemic heart. This one has the crucial task of circulating the oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the octopus's body. It's like the main distributor, making sure every part of the octopus stays well supplied with oxygen. Pretty neat, huh? But wait, there's more. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. When an octopus swims, the systemic heart actually stops beating. Yep, you heard that right. The heart that's responsible for delivering oxygen to the rest of the body just takes a break. So, what does this mean for our 8-legged friends? It means that swimming is a lot more tiring for them compared to crawling. That's why you'll often see octopuses crawling along the ocean floor rather than swimming around like fish. It's their way of conserving energy. This heart-stopping adaptation is just one of the many incredible traits that make octopuses stand out in the marine world. Their unique physiology highlights their evolutionary uniqueness and makes them one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. So, next time you see an octopus, take a moment to appreciate its incredible anatomy. 3 hearts working in harmony to keep this amazing creature alive and thriving in the depths of the ocean. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of octopuses, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more marine marvels. Leave a comment below about your favorite octopus fact. Keep exploring and stay curious. Imagine a creature that can survive the vacuum of space, the depths of the ocean, and the heat of boiling water. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of tardigrades. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are these microscopic 8-legged animals that are just renowned for their remarkable ability to survive extreme environmental conditions. While not technically classified as extremophiles in the strictest sense, meaning they don't actually thrive in harsh conditions, they are considered extremotolerant. That means they can survive conditions that would kill most other organisms. This incredible resilience, stems from their ability to enter a dormant state called cryptobiosis, where they can withstand desiccation, freezing, radiation, and even extreme pressures. Here's a more detailed look at their extreme tolerance. Desiccation. Tardigrades can survive almost complete dehydration for years by entering a dormant state called cryptobiosis. Freezing. They can endure temperatures near absolute zero, which is about -458 degrees Fahrenheit, without freezing solid. Heat. Tardigrades can also withstand temperatures as high as 150 degrees Celsius or 302 degrees Fahrenheit for a short period. Radiation. They can tolerate radiation levels thousands of times higher than what would be lethal to other animals. Pressure. They can survive pressures 6 times greater than those found in the deepest ocean trenches. So why aren't they technically called extremophiles? Well, while tardigrades can survive extreme conditions, they actually don't prefer them. They're not really adapted to live and thrive in these environments. Instead, their survival is mainly a response to stress. It's more accurate to say they're extremotolerant organisms, which means they can endure extreme conditions, but they don't really thrive in them. In the context of Earth's environment, tardigrades are considered polyextremophiles because they can survive multiple extreme conditions at the same time. They're also microscopic invertebrates, which just means they're small, multicelled animals. And importantly, they're aquatic. They actually need a thin film of water around their bodies to be active. In summary, tardigrades are honestly fascinating examples of resilient life, showing us the remarkable adaptations that let them survive in places that would be fatal for most other organisms. They're not, true extremophiles in the sense that they thrive in harsh conditions, but rather extremotolerant organisms that are capable of surviving a really wide range of extremes. If you found this journey into the world of tardigrades fascinating, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. What other incredible creatures would you like to learn about? This will surprise you. A fascinating animal in the world of wildlife. You've probably heard the saying, an elephant never forgets. But have you ever wondered just how true that is? Is it just a myth, or is there some real science behind it? Well, let me tell you, it's more accurate than you might think. Elephants have some of the most incredible memories in the animal kingdom. Their ability to recall information is not just impressive, it's vital for their survival. Their brains are huge, weighing about 11 pounds. That's 3 times the size of a human brain, but it's not just the size that matters, it's the complexity. Elephants have a remarkable ability to remember locations, individuals, and even complex social relationships over many years. You see, this ability is crucial for their survival in the wild. Imagine being able to recall every face you've ever met or every place you've ever visited. These gentle giants can do just that. Their memory is not just a party trick, it's a sophisticated tool for survival. Let's dive into an example. Picture an elephant encountering a water source during a dry season. This moment is crucial for the herd's survival. That elephant will remember the exact location of the water source for years to come. When the dry season strikes again, it will guide its herd back to that life-saving water. Isn't that mind-blowing? Their memory also plays a crucial role in social interactions. Elephants can recognize and remember individual friends and even foes. This skill helps them maintain complex social bonds within their herd and navigate tricky situations with other animals. They'll remember who's been kind and who's been a threat. But it's not just about survival. Elephants form deep emotional bonds with their family and friends. They've been known to mourn the loss of loved ones, showing signs of grief that are strikingly similar to humans. This level of emotional intelligence is a testament to their incredible memory and social complexity. So next time you hear someone say, "An elephant never forgets," you can nod in agreement, knowing just how amazing their memory truly is. Elephants are not just the giants of the land, they are giants of intelligence and emotion too. If you loved learning about these magnificent creatures, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment below about your favorite elephant fact. Keep exploring and loving our animal friends. Did you know there's a jellyfish that can essentially live forever? Yes, you heard that right, forever. Meet the Turritopsis dohrnii, often called the Immortal jellyfish. This tiny sea creature has a unique ability that sets it apart from all other known life forms. This little sea creature has a superpower that's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine being able to hit a reset button on your life whenever things get tough. It can revert to its juvenile form after reaching maturity, a process called transdifferentiation. This means that when it encounters unfavorable conditions, it can transform its cells and start anew. Transdifferentiation is where the cells of the jellyfish transform and start anew. Essentially, the adult cells change into a different type of cell, allowing the jellyfish to revert to its polyp stage. It's like pressing a biological reset button. Imagine if we could do that. Go back to our younger selves whenever we wanted. This means that in the wild, these jellyfish can theoretically live indefinitely, making them a true biological marvel. They can escape the typical life cycle that leads to death. Imagine if humans had this ability. What would our world look like? Would we live without the fear of aging, or would it bring about new challenges? So how does this work? When the Turritopsis dohrnii faces injury, starvation or other stressors, it reverts to its polyp stage, essentially becoming young again. This cycle can continue forever, allowing it to escape the typical life cycle that leads to death. It's a fascinating process that has captured the attention of scientists worldwide. Scientists are fascinated by this, and research is ongoing to understand the intricacies of their cellular makeup. They are delving deep into the genetic and molecular mechanisms that allow this jellyfish to perform such an extraordinary feat. The implications of this research could be groundbreaking. If we can decode the secrets of their immortality, who knows what advancements we might achieve in medicine and aging. But it could revolutionize how we approach age-related diseases and longevity. It's a glimpse into the possibilities of eternal youth and longevity. Imagine a world where aging is no longer a concern, and we can maintain our vitality indefinitely. But of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The Immortal label can be a bit misleading. While they can revert to their juvenile form, they can still fall prey to disease or predators, meaning they're not invincible. Their ability to cheat death is still something to marvel at, but it doesn't make them completely immune to the dangers of the ocean. It's a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of life in the ocean. So, what do you think? Should we dive deeper into the mysteries of the ocean or explore other fascinating creatures? The ocean is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and each one has its own unique story to tell. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more intriguing discoveries. Your engagement helps us bring more exciting content to you. Let's continue this journey through our natural world. This is gonna blow your mind. Honeybees have a sophisticated form of communication that is nothing short of remarkable. They perform a dance known as the waggle dance to inform other bees in the hive about the location of food sources. Ever wondered how honeybees communicate? These tiny creatures have a fascinating way of sharing information that goes beyond simple buzzing. These tiny insects have a dance language that's nothing short of remarkable. It's a beautiful blend of art and science, perfected over millions of years. When a foraging bee discovers a rich source of nectar, it returns to the hive and performs this unique dance to inform its fellow bees about the location of the food. This dance is a crucial part of their foraging strategy. The dance itself is a series of figure-8 movements,
But it's not just the shape that matters. It's the details within the dance that convey the message. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The direction of the straight run part of the dance indicates the direction of the food source relative to the sun. This means bees can navigate using the sun as a compass. If the bee waggles in a straight upward direction on the hive's vertical comb, it means the food is located directly towards the sun. This precise navigation is crucial for efficient foraging. If it waggles at an angle, the food is in that specific angle relative to the sun's position. Pretty neat, right? This angular information helps bees find food sources even when the sun's position changes throughout the day. But it doesn't stop there. The duration of the waggle run tells the other bees how far they need to fly. This means the dance encodes both direction and distance. The longer the waggle, the further the distance. This sophisticated system allows bees to find their way to nectar sources with astonishing accuracy, ensuring the hive's survival. Imagine being able to convey such detailed information without words. This waggle dance is a testament to the intelligence and teamwork within a bee colony. Each bee plays a crucial role, and their communication ensures the survival and efficiency of the hive. It's a beautiful example of nature's ingenuity and the complex social structures that exist in the animal kingdom. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. We want to know what you thought. This intricate dance language also highlights the importance of bees in our ecosystem. They are not just pollinators, they are master communicators, ensuring the health of their colony and the plants they pollinate. Next time you see a honeybee, remember the incredible dance language they possess and their vital role in our ecosystem. Their tiny bodies carry a wealth of knowledge and a legacy of survival strategies.
Did you know there's a creature that can regrow its heart and brain? The world of one of nature's most fascinating creatures, the axolotl. This little aquatic marvel has captured the imagination of scientists and nature lovers alike. Also known as the Mexican walking fish, the axolotl is not just any ordinary amphibian. With its unique appearance and extraordinary abilities, it stands out in the animal kingdom. This little aquatic wonder has a secret superpower, the ability to regenerate. Yes, you heard that right. The axolotl can regrow lost body parts, making it a true marvel of nature. Yeah, you heard that right. These incredible creatures can regrow not just their limbs, but also parts of their heart and even sections of their brain. It's like something out of a science fiction movie. Imagine losing an arm or a leg and just growing it back as if nothing happened. For axolotls, that's just a normal Tuesday. Their regenerative abilities are not only fascinating, but also hold immense potential for scientific research. Scientists are absolutely fascinated by this magical ability and are diving deep into studying how it all works. The potential applications of this research are mind-blowing. So what makes the axolotl so unique? Well, it turns out their cells can revert back to a more primitive state, like stem cells, and then differentiate into the types of cells needed to rebuild lost tissue. It's like having an inbuilt construction crew ready to rebuild any damaged part of the body. But why is this important for us humans? Imagine the medical breakthroughs we could achieve if we understood and harnessed the axolotl's regenerative abilities. Healing severe injuries, regenerating lost limbs, and even repairing damaged organs could become a reality. The possibilities are endless and incredibly exciting. Scientists are hard at work studying these amazing creatures to unlock the secrets behind their remarkable regeneration. The hope is that one day we might be able to apply these findings to human medicine, revolutionizing how we treat injuries and diseases. Imagine a world where losing a limb or suffering from a severe injury is no longer a life-altering event. So next time you think about superheroes, don't forget the axolotl. This little wonder of the natural world might just hold the key to some of the most groundbreaking medical advancements of our time. If you found this fascinating, hit subscribe and let us know in the comments what you think about the axolotl's superpowers.
Did you know that pigeons are smarter than you think? Stay tuned to find out why. Let's dive into the fascinating world of our feathered friends. Did you know that pigeons, those city-dwelling birds we see every day, have a surprising hidden talent? It's something that might just change the way you look at them forever. Hold on to your seats, because pigeons can recognize themselves in a mirror. Yes, you heard that right. These seemingly ordinary birds have an extraordinary ability. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't just a random claim, it's backed by scientific research. Pigeons have this remarkable ability to understand that the reflection staring back at them is actually themselves. This is a trait that indicates a high level of cognitive function. This might not sound like a big deal at first, but trust me, it's a sign of advanced cognitive function. Recognizing oneself in a mirror is a rare skill in the animal kingdom. So what does this mean? Well, it means that pigeons are much smarter than we give them credit for. Self-awareness is something that's quite rare in the animal kingdom. Only a few species have demonstrated this ability. Only a handful of species like dolphins, elephants, and some primates possess this trait. And now, pigeons join the club. This discovery has opened up new avenues for understanding avian intelligence. Researchers have conducted studies where pigeons were placed in front of mirrors. These experiments were designed to test their self-recognition abilities. These clever birds didn't just see another pigeon, they understood it was their own reflection. They even used the mirror to groom themselves and check out areas they couldn't normally see. How cool is that? This behavior shows a level of self-awareness that is quite sophisticated. But why does this matter? For starters, self-recognition is a key component of social interaction. It allows pigeons to navigate their social world more effectively. By recognizing themselves, pigeons can navigate complex social environments more effectively. They can distinguish between themselves and others, which helps in forming social bonds and avoiding conflicts. This ability is crucial for their survival in bustling urban settings. Moreover, it showcases that intelligence can manifest in many unexpected forms. We often underestimate animals based on their appearances or our limited interactions with them. But pigeons, despite being common city birds, have proven to be quite sophisticated in their own right. Their intelligence is a reminder that there's more to these birds than meets the eye. So, next time you see a pigeon, take a moment to appreciate their hidden intelligence. These birds are more than just feathered residents of our cities. They're brilliant creatures with a unique perspective on the world. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Continue exploring the wonders of the animal kingdom with us.
I bet you didn't know this. Today I'm diving into the depths to introduce you to an incredible underwater artist, the mimic octopus. This fascinating cephalopod isn't just any octopus, it's a master of disguise. Picture this, you're swimming through the ocean and suddenly you spot what looks like a venomous lionfish. You steer clear, right? But wait, surprise. It's not a lionfish at all, it's our little friend, the mimic octopus, pulling off one of its legendary impersonations. The mimic octopus can transform its entire appearance to look like a variety of sea creatures. We're talking lionfish, flatfish, and even the deadly sea snake. By altering its color, texture, and shape, it fools predators into thinking it's something far more dangerous or less appetizing. This talent isn't just for show, it's a brilliant survival strategy. In the wild, blending in can mean the difference between life and death, and the mimic octopus, it's got this down to an art form. What's mind-blowing is how quickly and seamlessly it can switch between different disguises. One moment, it's gliding like a flatfish along the ocean floor. The next, it's spreading its arms to mimic the spiky silhouette of a lionfish. It's like watching an underwater magic show. But it's not just its looks that are impressive. The mimic octopus also changes its behavior to match its disguise. When imitating a sea snake, it undulates its arms like the real deal, adding an extra layer of authenticity to its act. Now you might be wondering, how does it know which creature to mimic? Researchers believe the mimic octopus chooses its disguise based on the specific threats it encounters. If a predator is likely to avoid a poisonous sea snake, that's what it becomes. It's this adaptability that makes the mimic octopus such a fascinating creature. Despite its incredible abilities, the mimic octopus remains a bit of a mystery. Scientists are still uncovering new aspects of its behavior and capabilities. What we do know is that this cephalopod is a testament to the wonders of evolution and adaptation. So next time you find yourself by the ocean, spare a thought for the mimic octopus. It's not just surviving, it's thriving in the most creative way possible. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more ocean adventures. Leave a comment below about your favorite sea creature. I bet you didn't know that a blue whale's heart can weigh as much as a small car. Weighing in at around 400 pounds, it is the largest heart of any animal on the planet. This massive organ pumps blood through the whale's enormous body, which can measure up to 100 feet long. The size and strength of a blue whale's heart is a testament to the incredible adaptations these gentle giants have developed to thrive in the vast oceans. The blue whale's heart is not only massive but also incredibly efficient. It beats at a rate of about 8 to 10 times per minute when the whale is at the surface, but it can slow down to just 2 beats per minute when the whale dives deep into the ocean. This adaptation helps the whale conserve oxygen during long dives. The heart's chambers are so large that a human could swim through the arteries. This incredible organ is a marvel of nature, showcasing the blue whale's unique adaptations to its marine environment. The blue whale's circulatory system is designed to support its enormous size. The heart pumps blood through a network of arteries and veins that extend throughout the whale's body. The aorta, the main artery, is so large that it can be compared to the diameter of a garden hose. This extensive circulatory system ensures that oxygen and nutrients are efficiently delivered to every part of the whale's body, allowing it to maintain its massive size and strength. It's a testament to nature's engineering, showcasing how the blue whale thrives in its oceanic habitat. The blue whale's heartbeat is not just an efficient biological function, it's a symphony of life. Imagine being underwater, surrounded by the vast expanse of the ocean and hearing the deep, resonant thump of a blue whale's heart. Each beat echoes through the water, a reminder of the incredible life force within these majestic creatures. This heartbeat, slowed to conserve energy, speaks to the whale's adaptation to its environment, allowing it to dive to great depths and travel long distances. It's a rhythmic testament to the endurance and resilience of the blue whale, a gentle giant whose very existence is a marvel of nature's design. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the heart of a blue whale. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us your favorite fact from the video. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature.